Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be telling you that how to convert your Python scripts into executable files that you can run your local system. So this is a such step-by-step tutorial. So for converting your Python scripts into exe files, you need a library which is PyInstaller. So if you search on Google PyInstaller, so this is the website which comes in, the very first website. Just click on it, pyinstaller.org. So this is the library that we will be using in this tutorial. So it packages your Python scripts or programs into one executable file, exe file, which you can run on your local machine. So on your command line, just go and install it with the help of this command, which is pip install pyinstaller. I have already installed it, so I will not install it once again. In the description of the video, I have given my blog post. So here I have described step by step. All the commands are there. So execute this command, which is pip install pyinstaller. It will install this module onto your system globally. Now after this, you need to convert the Python script, whatever Python script that you need to convert. In my case, there is app.py Python script which is there. I need to convert this script. So I will just copy paste this command here. So just copy it and paste it here inside my command line. So this is pyinstaller dash dash one file dash w, and then you need replace your file name. So in my case, this is app.py. So just execute this command. So this usually takes some time depending upon the size of the script and how many dependencies that you are using inside your Python script. So in my case, the Python script is very small. So now it will create a build folder. So one problem will be there: if you have any kind of antivirus running onto your local system, it will block this exe file. So just turn off your antivirus. And now if you check back inside your directory, there is a distribution folder out there. Inside this distribution folder, you will find your executable file, which is app.exe file. So now if I execute this file, you will see this is a Python mail sending app. And now the beauty about it is that you can just copy this file and you can share it with anyone. So the person to whom you are sending must don't have to be Python installed. So they can view your app, they can use your app without having to launch Python IDE. So this is the one exe file that it has created, which is 8 MB megabytes. So in the same way, you can create your own file. Let me just create a test file for you. So let me create one other file, test.py, and here let me just print out hello world on the screen. So anything on the screen. So I can repeat this process. So here I can replace here test.py. Let me just rename this to app.to.py. So if I execute it, so now it will again create a distribution folder. So inside this, it is valid for Windows, Mac, and Linux systems. So it is cross-platform. So if you open dist folder, you will see app2.exe again. If you open this, it will print out in the command line hello world. So now let me check it. It is completed. So now if I execute it, So in this easy way, you can convert any sort of Python file into exe, and you can just check out my blog post. Here I have given the step-by-step procedure and all the commands are there. And thanks very much for watching this video.